The two-day special session of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, which started today, the 22nd of September 2023, had discussed various reports related to the Council's budget for the financial year 2023-24. The Executive Committee of the Council had tabled on the floor of the Council 3 out of the 5 bills that included the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Trading by Non-Tribal Rules 2023 and the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Administration of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill 2023. The 2 other bills that were returned included the Khasi Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill 2022 and the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Nomination, Election and Appointment of the same Deputy Same Lingdo Mantri, Sardar and Administration of Nongklao Sameship Bill 2023, which was returned after suggestions were made to the Council in consultation with Hima Nongklao. The 2 bills were returned as the House felt the requirement for a review of the same before being tabled on the floor of the Council.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I beg to move that leave be granted to introduce the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Administration of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill 2023. Mr. Chairman, sir, I beg to introduce the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Administration of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill 2023. So I beg to move that the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Administration of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill 2023 be now taken into consideration.
Motion moved that the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Administration of Ilaka Second Amendment Bill 2023.
The Vice Chairman of the KHADC, Charles Marangar, who had requested for a discussion of the bills that were to be tabled in today's special session, was interrupted by agitated members of the opposition who felt that the list of businesses to be discussed were not intimated to them in a timely manner, thereby making it difficult for such discussions to take place.
Member to me ng iyo ang tato magnamin yo kung ba ako yung nagsasabaw. Mereka tu baru 46 so we dulu. Kalau the list of the business for each day of the sitting shall be prepared by the secretary and shall be circulated to all members at least 2 days in advance of the sitting. Kemudian, aku menunggu asli yang sitting ini lagi list of business. Nang bagi yo kaya kami hapon ay discussion kung ano tayo dito agenda ng business para nag-isi. Iba ang hindi ba dahil discussion. Dan mereka dengan yo in advance kung ano yung discussion. Ini kepada kuat seluruh itu. Teman, jadi maklum mo bid ni member iwan bid di TPA kaya mengingatkan kaya agenda. Jadi saya teman nak kuat.
Or kalau yang terjadi, kalau habis putih, Facebook ya dah mengoperasi juga. Mengapa kita ada kita sensation di mana kita. Yang pertama kalau ada isu ada isi atau kehilangan manusia. Berkumpul terbelah dari negara ibu makia dari mana. Kalau itu orang yang jom cara macam dari nanti, negara di urgensi lesnya, no, pada berarti pada ini cara. Mereka telah membuat apa oleh times, bantu segala social incident. Dengan semua kami dari disuruh habis studies itu, tidak kita memperlu kalau business rumah balik yang paling jauh, sama. Kalau kami semua ini sama benda dilong lanjut juga, hati situation juga ya, dan alam mereka isi. Kerana kalau yang berkaitan, bangsa yang jadi ini, yang lain apa yang boleh sama dia banyak. Itu banyak yang tiba, kalau kita sesuatu yang lebih meaningful, nanti kita jadi orang yang
Okay.
Kalau mau suara Pak, sosial kamu kalau ada di agenda nak yang KHADC. Kalau penuh artayo siapa legislatif lah dengan puisi agenda. Kenapa sekretari jam legislatif beliau berhasil? Nara masuk ya tak? Kerana kumbar pun ada hit KHADC berkal alai tayo. Boleh nak apa tayo nak alis tu penpuai tak menennya. Naik orang pertama naik orang kata asli, naik orang kata tayo. Tak menennya mesti menenyo. Di kumno ini luar kau. Ini kalau orang biết.
Baca kemudian di ajar kami kalau pergi tidak ada konstitusi yang dibuat parlimen di kelas special session itu kalau pergi kita tidak tidak ada konstitusi yang sudah